Hi, let's walk you through a user's journey on SocialBoat. Let's say I'm on Instagram watching stories and I get curious as to what this coach is doing. So now I see he's part of something called SocialBoat. I check out SocialBoat. Now in the interest of the demo, I've opened this in different tabs so that we can phase out the loading and the reloading times. Yes. So now that I check out SocialBoat, once I log in, I will be able to see the current running game. I can check out all the rewards of the game and what all teams are already participating in the game. I can also check out user testimonials among a couple of other things about the game. Now, let's say I choose to start a team in the game. I will start a team and post the login. I will be asked a couple of information about myself. Once I fill in this information about myself, my team page is created. So now, the moment I've filled in all the details, it creates my team page, which is something like this, where I write a description, I add the goal of the challenge. My team page also has all the rewards of the challenge, all the testimonials of the challenge created. It took me only less than a minute to create this team page. Now I can share this page on my Instagram, on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn, on email, or via Standy, essentially any means where I can help invite my friends, followers, or clients to join my team and play the game with me. Now that I have shared my link externally and my friends have joined my team, me or my teammates can start playing the game. I can click on Start Workout. Once I click on Start Workout, it opens a series of workouts for me that I can check out. Some of these workouts are regular workouts, which I can do like calisthenics walking. Some of these are booster tasks, which have been created by some of the winning team leaders who get the access to create workout tasks. As I check out these different videos, I submit my workout. Now let's just say I choose to do the Ajju's headstand push-up. What I can do is, over here, I'm able to check out the video that Ajju has shared. I can submit my own submission by clicking on Add Workout. The moment I do my submission, it creates a submission log for myself, which shows me that my current video is under review right now, and I am currently at the 13th position. I can choose to add a description before posting it to the community from here. The moment I've posted in the community, as I check out the video and I've submitted my workout, my submission of the day has been logged. Now, since my submission has been logged, I can check out the leaderboard. During this time, I will get notifications on WhatsApp, which will intimate me when my submission has been logged, when my submission has been reviewed, and when I have been awarded fit points. This process typically takes less than 1 hour. And I can also choose, and this takes 1 hour when it is a video-based submission. It is instant if it is a regular workout review and you have already connected your wearable. We connect with almost all the wearables that are out there in the market, including Fitbit, Apple Health, Google Fit, Xiaomi bands, any regular wearables that you use. You can also connect them directly, so you keep automatically also getting some boosts and benefits in the game when you're working out or moving normally during the day. Now, as I said, on the leaderboard, I can check out fit points on the of different users. I can also check out fit points of my team. Along with teams, I can check out how my teammates are doing currently. I can check out how different teams are stacked currently and what they are doing at this stage. What is the combined fit point score of these teams? Fit points essentially are reflective of the current workouts done, and the level of the user, which you can see over here, is reflective of your actual fitness levels. This is calculated over a 30-day running period. I can also, as I said, I can also check out other teams, scores, so on and so forth. And I can also go to the community. Community is a section where people and all the players of the game share media, ask questions, and connect with other like-minded users. They submit their workout videos. They connect with each other. They ask questions. Users will be submitting booster tasks for the day, and so on and so forth. Now that is all for now on SocialBoat. We are soon going to add a lot more cool features, so stay tuned as we add more fun to our game. Cheers.